All right, my watch list for Tuesday. KNDI actually goes on the list just because it's done real well holding 11 all the way back to January of last year. Bounced off a little bit higher than 11 here, and now it's coming back down there again. So if this can get down near 11, I'm going to watch it for a bounce. DGLY. There's nothing that great about this chart, but because of this spike it had the other day, which we had a really nice trade set. This move right here, and then today just kind of sideways quiet day. If this can trade in a narrow range, for a little while tomorrow, and then break to the upside, I want to be on it. Okay. USO. This is the United States Oil Fund. This is starting to get fast to the downside. It finally has my interest for a potential bounce. So I have that on bounce watch. LINE, falling with oil, is just getting really fast to the downside, massive volume. That is a great candidate for a bounce. HUN did bounce off that 21 from last night's video. If the market bounces, I want to watch this for a little bit more upside. MBLY, Mobileye, has held 40 and kind of held that again. And today kind of had relative strength. And let's go to 5-minute candles. So you can see a nice midday rally, another push near the high of the day, and actually closed kind of strong when the SPY closed near its lows. So I don't look at this daily chart and say, ooh, this is a bullish chart by any stretch, but this may be trying to double bottom here around 40. Probably the least favorite of my list so far, but I still want to watch Mobileye. OAS, this one, related to oil again, held up really well today. Okay, so if I go back and forth, if you look at USO really nasty. OAS is starting to really find buyers down here. And keep in mind, a few weeks ago, this was, well, if you want to jump up here, this was, 26, 27, 28 bucks just a few weeks ago, and now it's down here at 12 and holding up well. So I really want to watch that one for potential long, especially if oil bounces. And we're going to throw Fran, F-R-A-N, back on watch. I'll pan out a little bit here. Great relative strength in this name, and we could get a really big push one of these days. So that's the list I'm starting with. We'll find other stuff to trade as the day unfolds, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night.